Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This 6 bedroom, 6 bathroom residential masterpiece is situated on zero point 0.3 acres of land. It is located at Carmel Terrace in St. Andrew. This two-story house offers nice living with exquisite attention to detail. The top floor boasts a spacious living room, dining area, and kitchen, perfect for hosting gatherings and creating lifelong memories. Accompanying this floor are 4 bedrooms, including a magnificent master suite with a balcony offering breathtaking views. Additionally, there are 3.5 bathrooms, ensuring ample convenience and comfort for all occupants. The bottom floor presents a separate living space, complete with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, and a helper's quarters. This layout offers great versatility and is ideal for accommodating guests, extended family, or to be rented to 3 separate tenants to generate income. It also has a water purifier system in the kitchen, water tank, remote control gate, washroom, and garden area. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1 million or Jamaican $153.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.